This is the operation video of the SBH-50 three-dimensional mixer. We can manually adjust the mixing time. Rotating the button to control the mixings. Rotate the jog button to the right. Start the mixture. Adjust the mixing speed. When the set mixing time is up, the mixing stops and reaches the starting position. Turn the jog button to the left to enter the jog mode. You can control the direction of the mixture bucket by pressing the start button, which is suitable for use during maintenance or discharging.